Hi guys, this is Sadik from Dotwin.com. In this video, we'll show you how to export any video in the 9:16 aspect ratio for the shorts or let's say reels by the iMovie app. So as you might be aware, let me show you one thing. For example, I have this video in the 9:16 aspect ratio. If I drag the video over here, you could see the iMovie has added the black bars across left and right. Now if I try to export and upload this video over to shorts, now if I try to upload this video, it will be taken as a normal video and not as a shorts or reels because we have now a black bar and the aspect ratio has changed. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue and upload the videos as a 9:16 aspect ratio only. So let's get started. First off, let's go back to the main screen. Let me save this for anything as such, remove this for now. And from the main screen, if you now try to use a new video for a new movie or trailer, you'll again face the same issue because in both the movie and trailer, you get the black bars for the aspect ratio. So skip this. Instead, go to new, select iMovie, file, and from here select new app review. So what exactly is app preview? Well, app preview is something which you see in the app store, the first video in the preview. Let me show you. For example, this is my iPhone. Let's try to open any app. Let's say the YouTube app. I'll just show you what exactly is app preview. YouTube. Okay, just give me a second. Let's search for the YouTube app now. And when you open the app, the first result is over here. So this is the video. You could see this is in the 9:16 aspect ratio. This is known as app review. So now we will be making this and we will then get the video of our choice in this aspect ratio. So let's get started. Let me minimize this. Now click on OK. After that, let's place any video of your choice. For example, this is the same video. And you can now see the video still in the 9:16 aspect ratio. And it's not, there is no black bars whatsoever. And likewise, you may also add a new video. For example, this is a video which I have in the you could see this video is in the large aspect ratio. Let's try to make this as well in the 9:16. So drag it over here. And the best part you could now see, again, this also has been of the same aspect ratio of the first one as before. So you could simply hit the crop button and then choose the exact aspect ratio 9:16 and choose the required video portion, hit the enter key. And you can now see both the videos are now in the exact same 9:16 aspect ratio. So guys, just one more thing. This will only work if the first video is in a 9:16 aspect ratio. So if that's not the case, then this is not going to work. For example, let me show you. If you're only using the 9:16 aspect ratio, then there's nothing to worry about because it's always been the same ratio. For example, the first video is this and it is one more video. Let me show you over here if I have or not. I will drag that video as well. It's not there for now. So again, drop this video. So if it's only in the 9:16 aspect ratio, it's nothing to worry about. But if one of the videos is in a large aspect ratio, then for that, to make it 9:16, the first video should always be 9:16. For example, if I first use this video, a large one, you could see now if I try to drag and drop a video of 9:16 aspect ratio, this is not going to work because the ratio is now taken from the first video. Even though we are still in the app review, you could see, but the app review will not work if the first video is of 9:16, not is of that ratio. So it's of a large ratio, so this is not going to work and I will now have the black bars at both the left and right as you could see over here. So please always make sure to have the first video as 9:16 aspect ratio and then it will work with ease. So again, I'm showing you, let's repeat this. The first video is on 9:16 aspect ratio. And now I could simply place the second video of any ratio. It will now work with ease as you could see. The second video, go to the second video, choose the crop option and crop to fill, choose the phone, let me choose it. And now you could see I have both the video of the same aspect ratio. So always keep the first as 9:16 and the second as it is and then you may easily do a crop. And once that is done, the last thing to note down is when you try to do an export, the export will always be in a file of 1080p. So you can improve it a little bit. For that, click on the export button and don't choose the option from here. Don't choose the export file. Instead, choose the app preview and the size will be somewhat improved. For example, if you choose the export option, when the 1080p option, export file, which is the biggest one you could see, the file size is around 915 MB. But if you choose the app review over here, then now the app size will be around 1.5 GB. So there is some improvement. Although you might not get the I guess 4K, still there is some improvement. So guys, that's all from this video. If you're only dealing with 9:16, then the app review will get the job done with ease. But if you're also using a video of a different aspect ratio, in that case, first use a 9:16 aspect ratio video and then place the required video of your choice and then your task stands complete. So guys, on that note, we round up this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section and thanks a lot for watching.